Good morning, daisies. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? You know, I always start my vlogs this way. Either me getting ready to head out or me in the car or Alex popping up in my vlogs. There go Alex right there. He's doing the laundry. I'm not the laundry person. I don't do the laundry. Well, I do when he's not here, but I'm not a fan of it. But if I have to wash, I will. I mean, I'm not scared to do it. But he don't like to do it too. He likes to do the, like, folding and putting it away. That's the part I don't like. I don't mind washing. As he's taking more laundry out. Nayena's not feeling well, so yesterday we had to pick her up. I had to pick her up yesterday, so today she's home. And Alex was telling me, you know, if I go out, just take her with me, which I am about to go out. It's already after 10, I believe it's 10. No, it's 11:15, y'all. 7:15, and I'm like, it's lunchtime, so let's go get lunch. She wanted breakfast. I said, dog, if you want breakfast, then you really not that sick. Maybe you should go to school. But she really is not feeling well. But I'm going to get her out of the house so she can get some sun, help beat that virus down. She has strep throat and a runny nose, so not COVID positive. I'm just going to do my own analysis and say that she is not COVID positive. She don't look like she's COVID positive. She's fine. So she has no symptoms of that, so she's fine. But yeah, since it's already after 11, it's lunchtime everywhere, so we're gonna go and get some Haitian food. Alice is not going with us because I kind of broke the garage door a couple days ago. Like, I want to say the day we went to Clearwater Beach, it knocked something out, but it didn't show, or it didn't present itself until, I want to say, Friday. So it's already, it's Thursday now, so it's already been several days, and it's gonna get repaired between 12 and 5. So with that being said, I am going to go get something to eat, and Alex is going to stay home. So yeah, I will show y'all how I look, but I'm not. It sounds really bad. But all right, guys, so I'm back. We're about to leave. Nayena looks okay. Let me see how you're looking. Her throat was hurting really bad yesterday. Now her throat is no longer hurting, and now she's doing this. She got the sniffles. Hopefully, you know, she gets better quick, so she can go back to school tomorrow. Because the people already called me and says, Nayena has not been accounted for at school. I said, I love that feature. So if she was to skip school or anything like that, they would let me know. But she's not the skipping school kid type, right? Right? Alright, so the guy is actually coming early to fix the garage. So I was going to take the van to give us more space here. To give us more space. And Alex is now going to go with us to the stores and stuff. So I told him the guy is coming, and he said, well, I might as well come with y'all. And I'm like, yeah, just come on. He kind of low-key want to come with us. And plus, where I want to go, ooh, some flies right here. Hold on. I hate when flies get into my house. That's one of my pet peeves. I hate when flies come around, period. Oh, I should take this with me. So yesterday we had some good news. We had some very, very good news. Yesterday we had some good news, so we're happy about that. I'm just going to say God is amazing. God is good. The guy's here? Yeah, that's him. Yeah, the guy is here to come fix our garage. So we're not gonna leave it until he does that. Y'all, if y'all seen what I did to that garage, what happened was we were going to Clearwater Beach and we were loading up the car, and I was backing up before I realized that the back trunk door was not closed, and I hit something, knocked something loose, something happened, I don't know. But 4 or 5 days later, the garage started opening and closing, so I'm like, I think it was my fault. It's easy to blame somebody else, so I blame the kids. Oh, hold on, the guy's here. Okay, so.
Where is it shaking up here?
The garage itself.
Oh, the door itself?
Yeah, it's shaking.
Oh, okay. Well,
so I was thinking it was the sensors, and I checked that, and that's not it. Well, I don't know what it is, so. Then I was like, well, maybe it's this thing. It's so loose. And I was showing my brother. He was like, nope, that's...
That's going to have some play, as you can see.
Yeah, so he told me, no, that wasn't it.
Yeah, so you can have some play there.
Okay.
That pin is actually put in wrong, so...
Okay.
But that's not going to do anything there.
I want you to see it.
Oh.
Yeah, that was the scary part. And then trying to lift it open manually is
It's heavy.
Oh my God.
It's heavy, yeah.
I can't get it up.
How you doing? Good.
Yeah, no, I want to put some. I want to see this. Lift it on hand, all right?
No.
Go ahead. Yeah, exactly. The thing is heavy as hell.
No, it's in the beginning and it's hard.
It's very hard. I couldn't get it up.
At the middle.
Of course, because you got half of it.
Half of it is up, yeah. But the thing is, you have to find something to lever it up. That's all.
It doesn't matter. I couldn't do it.
Okay.
I have to bust your bubble real quick and show you. That thing is heavy. Before? Okay. All right. Super strong. Oh, where the guy at? Did he come in? Maybe you could let him come in with the ladder.
Get that.
No, go ahead and lift it and let him bring the ladder.
I don't have a ladder.
No, he has a ladder. He wasn't bringing it in through the house. Instead of him bringing it through the house. No, I don't want to use that $150 thing that you bought for the truck. Oh, there you go. Mm-hmm. He's going to follow me the whole time through it. The grease, yeah. I had so much grease. Trying to get it done.
Yeah, maybe in here. This buckboard is awfully loose.
Oh, it's loose.
So we'll tighten the buckboard down here.
Okay. That's the buff board.
Let's just give it a little bit of lift. Okay. Like this? Okay, we can put it back down. Let me tighten that buckboard down.
Okay.
And then we'll see if
You can let him. We can let you out here. Go ahead, baby. We can let him out.
You can go ahead. And they should hold. You sure?
Yeah. Hallie's trying to show out.
Excuse me?
We get it. He's strong. We get it, right? We get it. You strong. To play so easy. The poor man can't even lift it up. I let go. Oh, you felt that?
No.
Yes, you did.
Okay.
All right.
So,
Uh-oh.
Right there. Right there. Hold on. What was that? That's new.
Yes.
put it back up a little bit, and then we'll let it back down. Okay, let's let it go.
Slowly?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So you bring it down.
Uh-oh.
Is it because I was holding it up like that?
No. So you can bring it down. Okay. Yeah,
You see it?
Can you let it down?
Let it down.
On the back. Yeah.
Oh, he see it.
Oh, there's a hook that's stuck.
It's the lines up here. You see how this is all?
Yeah.
Should not be doing that. I think. Oh, man, I hate having you holding that door
No,
like
it's okay.
that.
It's okay.
Yeah, I can't get that.
Oh, it's wound all the way
It is,
around
it is.
it. You see it?
Yeah, that's it.
What I want to try to do is loosen it up enough
Yeah, I can see that.
to where we can.
It's off the line too. The whole line is out. This right here, y'all, is not in. It's on the outside. This side, let's see, the cable is on. It's aligned. So the cable came out of alignment.
Yeah, it's not wrapping properly.
Okay.
So what I'm trying to figure out here is if the cable is still good, then we can get it wrapped up.
Okay.
If it's not, then we have to get you a new cable and we'll get a contractor out here for that
Oh, okay.
to rewrap it. Now, we go to
It's not wrapped properly. And there's the line. The line is back. It might be. Maybe fixed it. Let's see. Uh-oh.
the problem right here. This should be a clip that this falls into.
Oh.
So let's get the screw embedded for one.
Okay.
And then we'll pressures. You don't want to mess with these on the right side.
Okay.
Oh yeah, there's the flashing light there. So yeah, it's this little white button right here. This will flash saying, okay, I'll accept commands.
Okay.
But
Oh,
you
the
have to
white
do
button, I
your
see it.
reading to make sure, because you have to make sure that it hooks up with this genie here.
Okay.
Yeah. Give just a little bit of pressure. See if I can't lift and help it up and start.
Okay.
And if it doesn't work, then we go on.
Okay.
All right? So-
Ready?
Yep. kill me for shit. See, right now, this is tight.
It's not, yeah, it's, okay, so that's not it then. So what is it? Hmm? And we can't even see what it's.
What may have happened is because of the grinding, it may have just worn out the trolley. Take this off, it'll operate. It
Yeah.
sounds normal.
See?
Sounds normal. So as soon as you put this trolley back onto it,
It won't go.
it won't go. So I'm thinking that's probably where your issue is right in this black piece there.
Okay.
So, and that they'll have to install.
Okay. Alright guys, so the garage is not repaired. The guy, he saw that it was some other issues, so he had to call another actual repair person to come and fix the garage. So tomorrow, or maybe Monday. Diana still is not feeling well, but well enough to eat. Thank God, because she wasn't really eating as much. Her appetite come and go because she does have strep throat. And yeah, I'm driving now so Alice can eat his legume and white rice and sospoa, which is white rice and peas or bean sauce. Hold on, my phone might fall. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so Max should be home in like 30 minutes, but we gonna have to be home without us for a while. He'll be alright. Not like he hasn't done it before.
I don't know, Rick, if you're going out, bring me something from McDonald's. Yeah, like a junior chicken. I don't know about you, but for me, there is no better chicken than Kentucky Fried Chicken. Forget it. I only ever go maybe 2 times in my life to that one, the Starbucks. Starbucks is so telling me your whole life here in the United States, you never been to Dunkin' Donuts one time. Not one. This Ricky sometimes he's an idiot.